Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to unlock your locked Pi on transferable balance. So actually here's the truth about unlocking Pi. If you have locked your Pi for 6 months, 1 year or 3 years, you cannot unlock it early. It will only unlock on the exact date you set. Nothing you can do can change that. But here's what you can do. You can move your migrated Pi mainnet balance to your available balance. So let me show you how. First, open your app and then go to your wallet. After that, you will see two balances, the locked Pi and the migrated Pi. Tap on the migrated Pi balance. So it is this run right here. So migration, click on it, and here you will see this transaction. So there will be an option to move. So click on it, move, and here it will show you move this balance. After confirmation, this amount will be moved to your available balance. So just click on confirm, and here it will be a success. So click on dismiss, and here if I go back to my balance, I will find it that it has been added. So that was it. Just be careful for the fee. It's about 0.015 pi or something like that. So yeah, just remember that locked pi can only be accessed on its unlock date, but migrated pi can be moved anytime. It's as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.